So this is one of the very interesting things that has happened, right? We have Reflection 70B. So let's talk about this one, Reflection 70B.
Yeah.
What happened in Reflection 70B is there was a guy called Matt Schumer. Okay, let's open the Twitter thread, Rohan.
Okay,
We'll
directly
go
go to
through the
Twitter
Twitter.
thread.
Yeah,
Okay, let's see.
yeah, yeah. And we can even try the demo if we want to, but not compulsory because scam models को मैं नहीं test करता. ठीक है.
उससे अच्छा मैं
So
लावा 7 भी कर लूंगा.
so this is thread by the guy called let's scroll. What's his name? The thread by
That's right.
this guy Shin guy has created this thread, right? So what happened was basically Matt Schumer, the guy, he had trained a fine-tuned version of Llama 3.1 that he was claiming is the world's top open source model, right? And what did he use? Which technique did he use to train was basically on reflection tuning.
Correct.
Reflection tuning is just what we were talking about: chain of thought, reasoning, self correction, all these
Correct.
words.
And I
So
think वो agents में भी हमने देखा है, right? Reflection with LLM, there is an option, right? It's the same thing that he's
yeah,
talking about, correct?
yeah. So what they had done was they had created a reflection tuning data set, and fit they took a Llama 3.1 model and just trained a fine tuned version of it. Right,
Okay.
that's what they did. Took the data set. So they taught Llama 3.1 how to do reflection learning, how to do reflection understanding. Let's scroll. What this
मतलब
is the
ये
basic.
GPT-4o से पहले लाना चाहता था open source model, right? Correct, जो
Yes,
which was
absolutely.
it's the same thing that he is also
O1,
trying to do.
yes.
GPT-O1,
He
yeah,
was
O1.
trying to beat, he was trying to beat O1. This is September 5 का tweet where he was told this. And इसने क्या claim किया? He claimed that he has broken all the benchmarks. He has scored 99% on GSM 8K, जबकि 98% questions ही सही है. मतलब एक question percent तो गलत ही है GSM 8K में. तो भी
And
उसके मॉडल ने सही जवाब दे दिया.
yeah, I think he's
Right?
competing because GPT ने निकाला 13 सितंबर को. He is talking about this in 5th September. So quite interesting.
Hmm. The concepts are similar.
Yeah.
Reflection tuning दोनों जगह use हुई है. Let's scroll and see what happened after that, right? So once he did this, right, then they get a massive news coverage, and everyone is talking about this model. Even I got this in my feed. I was also thinking of, wow, this is a good idea, and I want to try this model, right? So once people started looking for links where to try it, these guys uploaded it on Hugging Face. Let's go down what happened next. On September 7th, the first independent attempt to replicate their claimed benchmark. So when a team claims benchmark, right, there are these companies like Artificial Analysis who run these models on the benchmark itself and test whether they are saying it correctly or not, right? So what Artificial Analysis said was, we have been unable to replicate the eval's result, claiming in independent testing and seeing worse performance even than Llama 3.7. मतलब उसने फाइन ट्यून उल्टा ही कर दिया
गलत कर
भाई.
दिया उसने find it. I think
कुछ कुछ तो कर दिया उसने. Let's see the next
but
image.
I
What
think
what is
we
what
will
came
see in the
next?
benchmark, right, that क्या different हुआ था. So देखोगे तो yeah.
Okay.
So this was the model on which it was the base model that they have taken, right, Nasar?
Llama 370B, yes, that was
Yeah.
the base model, and they fine-tuned and called it Reflection Llama 3.1 70B, right? उसमें
Yes.
उन्होंने बताया कि 84 से 79 हो गया, 5% परफॉर्मेंस गिर गया, 43 से 41% हो गया,
Yes.
60% से 56% हो गया. मतलब रोहन, ये तो ऐसा हुआ
उल्टा जा रहा
कि
है.
भैया 90% स्टूडेंट था, बच्चे को मार्क्स आया 9 स्टैंडर्ड में, वो नया
Yes.
ट्यूशन में गया,
और 80 हो
ही
गया.
वेंट टू अ न्यू ट्यूशन, उसको 75% मार्क्स आ रहे हैं.
Yes, so it's pretty interesting thing. I think it's more or less like a crypto scam that we have seen, right, in recent past.
We'll see what happened later on. मतलब we should not judge so early. So this is
हाँ.
something very complex. Basically मैं इसको roughly आसान भाषा में समझाता हूँ, ठीक है? जब आप models लेते हो, right, you can compare these models, okay, with so after measuring the differences in the model, what happened was they found out that ये 3.1 भी नहीं है. भाई लोग ने Llama 3 use किया है. They have used Llama 3 and they have used something called LoRa fine tuning, which we
Correct.
also do, right?
Yes.
Adapter train
Low
करते हैं.
adapter training.
We train an adapter and we attach it to the model on top. Like there's a model and there's an adapter, and then your adapter gets used also. So this
Correct.
is what was happening. And let's go next. Then what happened? Matt starts making claims that there was something wrong with the API. There is something wrong with the upload. For some reason, some glitch has to be fixed. तो उन्होंने जो model upload किया था
Hugging
Hugging Face
Face
पे,
पे.
हाँ,
Correct.
तो वो बोल रहे कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, हमारे दो मॉडल मिक्स हो गए, कुछ तो हो गया, हमने आज तक कभी मॉडल अपलोड नहीं किया हगिंग फेस पे, ब्ला 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 ब्ला, पेला उसने
Just
दबा के बहाने।
reasons and excuses.
Yeah, बहाने दिया, yes. Let's go next. What happened? What happened? If you've been benchmarking, blah blah blah. Let's go
I think
next.
then
What happened?
we have benchmark. फिर उसके बाद हुआ
Yeah.
कि proof points are needed. So फिर लोग उससे proof मांगने लगे, right? कि you have to prove it
Yes.
like that. How are you claiming कि these are the much better models than what we
Yeah.
already have?
It's the world's top open source model. That's what he was saying. मतलब बातें तो सुनो.
Yes.
Okay. So what happened next, Rohan?
Next, I think, but they were asking for a proof from him, and we'll see. We have now partially replicated reflection evaluation claims, but we would caution that their results are not. But I think that the end goal is that even after re-uploading their models, their new APIs, their claims were not fully justified, and there's the company like Artificial Analysis was not able to replicate the same accuracy while they are doing the testing, and they're saying
Yeah.
they, and I think it's just a fake, or maybe I'm not sure why कि गलत भी हो
It's
सकता
it's
है.
it's basically a hyped up. It's a hyped up because जो वो claim कर रहे थे वो तो नहीं ही था. Right,
Yes.
that is what was happening. Let's scroll down. There's a bigger, even bigger thing. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. This is actually the scam. What they have done is basically when the models were not working right in the Hugging Face side, जहाँ पे वो नहीं perform कर पा रहा था, तो he
Correct.
gave a private endpoint, right? And
Yes.
what happened was people started testing this private endpoint. They started getting this outputs like thinking tokens, output tokens, reflection tokens. We'll see this in the demo. We'll try the demo also, right? And they were seeing this behavior, but
ये तो
but what
scam
happened
है.
was, yeah, people started, what people started doing was they thought this is something wrong. So what they did was they told it to write the word Claude.
Yeah.
Okay, so but the model did not write the word Claude. So you can see the point number one, write the word plain text. So इन्होंने क्या किया, इन्होंने क्लॉड के ऊपर एक रैपर बनाया, ठीक है, और उस पे सिस्टम मैसेज में लिखा कि आप ये कभी नहीं बताओगे कि आप क्लॉड हो.
Correct.
इसीलिए जब बंदा कोई पूछ रहा था राइट वर्ड क्लॉड, वो तभी भी क्लॉड नहीं बोल रहा था.
Correct. So I
So
think
that is the
उसमें
thing.
system prompt के साथ मतलब it's all magic जो system prompt कर रहा था, not the actual training data.
यस, ट्रेनिंग डेटा तो छोड़ दे, इसने रैपर बना के दे दिया वापस क्लॉड के ऊपर. मतलब वो अपना
API
अपना
के
लामा
ऊपर API.
3.1 गया भाड़ में.
अच्छा, जब वो उसने
रैप-
दूसरी मतलब उसने जब दूसरी बार वापस डाला हगिंग
हाँ,
फेस पे तो उसने क्लॉड को दे दिया डायरेक्ट लामा.
दूसरी बार उसने हगिंग फेस पे डाला ही नहीं, उसने एक
अच्छा.
प्राइवेट एंड पॉइंट बना के दिया कि इस पे टेस्ट करके देखो गाइस, ये यूआरएल है.
हाँ.
और पीछे क्लॉड को कॉल कर रहा है वो छुप 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 के. समझ रहा है? मतलब
That's pretty
that is what
nice.
he's saying, if you see, right? But the thing is about the private API is that it's not clear what it is calling in the back
Back
end.
end, yeah.
They could be calling more than one proprietary model. मतलब मैं भी बोल सकता हूँ भाई मेरे पास GPT-4o1 का रेप्लिका है, बट वो पीछे मैं वही कॉल कर रहा हूँ, उसको ही कर रहा
करेक्ट.
हूँ.
AI
मतलब ये
AI
तो
ब्रो
हद हो गई.
बॉट्स एंड पॉइंट बना देते हैं निसार और पीछे सारे मॉडल कॉल कर लेंगे हम लोग. हगिंग फेस पे कॉल कर
ब-
लेते हैं.
नहीं नहीं भाई भाई, इतना 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 टाइम नहीं है अपने पास. चलो चलो नेक्स्ट जाते हैं. फिर इसका इसका मतलब यही है कि भैया आप दे वांटेड टू रिलीज इट बिफोर द जीपीटी
GPT
फोर
4 mini.
GPT-o1 comes in, right? And they wanted to showcase कि भैया we open source has been able to do it, but when we do apples to apples comparison, भाई
बहुत डिफरेंस
हालत
था.
खराब हो जाती
Yes,
है.
it was
Yeah,
not even performing like the benchmark model that they have used.
yeah. We'll test it, Ron. We'll test it once. Chalo, let's test it. We go to the AI bros, yeah, and go to the demo link. I wanted to see this model actually. Okay, this is someone who has hosted this model. Let's ask the same question. वो flyover वाला पूछता है. Let's
फ्लाईओवर
ask
वाला
the
तो कुछ
flyover
ज्यादा नहीं
question.
हो जाएगा उसके लिए.
अरे अरे पूछते. I just want to see the output behavior. मतलब क्या print कर रहा है वो.
I
That's
think
what I
but
want to see.
if it goes on Claude then it will give us the
Okay.
similar reply. Oh, thinking इसने प्रिंट ही कर दिया है.
Yes, yes. So this is what is see. इसने क्या किया?
One second.
Let's see a little bit of output. Yeah. ये ब्लू क्या हो गया? हाँ, okay.
कहाँ?
नहीं नहीं कुछ नहीं कुछ.
हाँ.
So to redesign the drainage
नहीं
system,
नहीं नहीं नहीं, यहाँ
let's
से नहीं,
go.
यहाँ से. It is thinking.
Okay, so it has printed thinking tokens first, which
Yeah.
is basically the chain of thought. To redesign the drainage system in Chennai during monsoon, we need to consider these factors: volume of rainwater, absorption capacity of the soil, current drainage infrastructure, population density, sea level rise. Okay, so मतलब थोड़ा बहुत तो sense
Same
make
as
कर रहा
same,
है,
and
right?
I think it's more or less the same replies that we have got. थोड़ा बहुत because backend
Oh
में अगर Claude
yes.
कॉल करता है तो you know right सारे मॉडल सेम डेटा सेट पे ट्रेन हुए हैं.
यस एंड व्हाट विल हैपन इज इवेंचुअली रोहन मतलब ओपन एआई ने कुछ बहुत अलग नहीं किया है. ओपन एआई हैज नॉट बिल्ड अ ब्रेक थ्रू मॉडल. व्हाट
हाँ,
दे हैव डन इज दे हैव चेंज्ड द फाइन ट्यूनिंग डेटा सेट टू अ चेन ऑफ थॉट डेटा सेट.
करेक्ट।
Right now, what will happen is these models like Claude, Google's, Meta's, they are going to also create their chain of thought data set.
हाँ, because
Now
because
they are
now,
also going to,
yes.
yeah,
So I think we will now see a new model from Meta or maybe Phil or Microsoft and Apple Intelligence, because अब टेक्निक सबको पता चल गई है, राइट? एंड अब वो सब इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे और वो ऑलरेडी
that's
एग्जिस्टिंग
right.
मॉडल के ऊपर ही अडेप्टर की तरह में भी लेके आएंगे, एंड आई थिंक इट विल गोना इम्प्रूव द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ देयर मॉडल्स।
डेफिनेटली डेफिनेटली और एक और चीज होगा कि ये तो सबको पता चल गया व्हाट इज द सीक्रेट सॉस राइट. नाउ द
या,
नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दैट ओपनएआई इज आल्सो हाइडिंग द चेन ऑफ थॉट. So they are not completely showing you the chain of thought when the model is
करेक्ट।
in doing
वो फिर
inference.
से रीराइट
So
होके आता है शायद, जो हमको
yes,
दिखता
so
है
they are not,
थिंकिंग वाला।
yeah, they are not showing this thinking tags and all that, because what happens is if you show this right, you
हाँ,
can fine tune another model. I can just pick
हाँ,
up these outputs and fine tune another model
करेक्ट।
and call it, whoa, I also have oven now, right? So
यस, आई
they
थिंक
are
वो,
doing this for two reasons. They are doing this for two reasons. One is competitive advantage. They don't want Claude and all these guys to catch up fast. And secondly, they are not even wanting the open source guys to replicate this behavior in some free model.
करेक्ट।
तो मेरे को तो यही लग रहा है.
मेरे को भी यही लगता है, बिकॉज उसका ब्रेड एंड बटर ही वही है, राइट? सो इफ ही गिव्स दैट रेसिपी देन एनीवन कैन डू इट, मे बी वी कैन आल्सो डू इट। वी आई विल जस्ट आस्क 1 मिलियन क्वेश्चंस एंड गेट दोस आउटपुट्स एंड ट्रेन ए मॉडल। फिर कितना आसान हो जाएगा,
Yeah,
क्योंकि द होल गेम एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम टू हैविंग दोस डेटा सेट्स क्रिएटेड, राइट? क्लीनिंग
that's true.
ऑफ डेटा, जिसको डेटा इंजीनियर्स बोला जाता है, दोस पाइपलाइंस आर वेरी नेसेसरी। सो और वही मिल
Synthetic
जाएगा
data.
तो सिंथेटिक डेटा, तब तो बहुत आसान हो जाएगा मॉडल्स बनाना। But I think it's a
That's true.
good thing. I think these are the things that we can learn, जो हमें बताता है कि
Yeah.
किसी मॉडल को ऐसा आंख बंद करके विश्वास नहीं करना चाहिए। फर्स्ट वी नीड टू लुक फॉर द बेंचमार्क एंड टेस्ट इट एंड सी वेदर इट इज एक्चुअली डूइंग व्हाट those developers or the people are claiming, the community is claiming, right?
That's true. Scam attested. Let's move on to the next one, Rohan.
Your favorite one.
So just we just understand how chain of thought works, right? There are three phases of chain of thought. First phase is the planning phase, where the model thinks and outlines all the steps it needs to do to take to solve the problem, right?
Correct.
The second is the reasoning phase, where whatever plan it has created, now it's gonna reason, think on that plan. कि भैया मुझे step one करना पड़ेगा. I need to do the step two. I need to do the step three. It's gonna verbalize the thought process. It's gonna, let's say it's complex maths problem. So it's going to step by step note down. Okay, this is the formula I need to apply first, then second, then third, and then I'll do the derivation and blah blah blah. And then I'll come to the output. Then the third step is the reflection phase. When you generate the output, now you are doing finding mistakes, self-reflecting. This is how humans do, right? You create a
Correct.
plan, you then implement that plan, and if the plan works, it's good. If it does not work, you reiterate, you reflect, you make improvements. So this is basically what the chain of thought does. और ये सारे मॉडल्स में अब
आने
आने वाला
वाला
है,
है।
मतलब आने वाला है.
आई थिंक
दिस इज द
रिफ्लेक्शन विद एलएलएम एंड चेन ऑफ थॉट्स, लाइक पहले उन्होंने एजेंट्स में लाया था, अगर निशात को, आई थिंक वी वर्कड ऑन विद ऑटोजेन, राइट? तो उन्होंने पहले
या
वहां लाने की कोशिश की थी, बट नाउ अभी मॉडल के अंदर ही आ गया, तो इट इज मच बेटर।
I think the agents will get more powerful.
या,
So autogen agents will be more powerful. Now every agent will be able to think three times more now.
या,
But it's expensive also, Ron. It's
करेक्ट।
expensive system to
बिकॉज टोकन,
thinking.
बिकॉज इट विल गोना यूज मोर टोकन्स, राइट, टू derive any results। जो 12 सेकंड या 30 सेकंड सोच रहा है, उसके लिए इट विल यूजिंग माय रिसोर्सेस and hardwares and GPUs, whatever it is, right? So obviously the output, but it's a trade off, right? ये हम normal infrastructure में भी देखते हैं, right? कि cap theorem जैसे for example, कि कहीं ना कहीं एक trade off करना पड़ता है, either you get it fast, cheap, or you get it slow and more accurate. So it depends
Speed
on,
accuracy. Yeah.
yes,
Either you get fast speed or you get better accuracy. Trade off तो है.